Alright guys, decided I'd make a video since I haven't been very good about posting my progress, so this is where I'm at. I got the nose converted from the 94 front end to the newer style. The body lines look pretty good. I'm happy with that. And just kind of wanted to show you how everything's working out. Everything's working out great. It gets excellent fuel economy, plenty of power. Hopefully I can demonstrate that here by myself with just my cell phone, but anyway, yeah, I got new wheels and tires, got the leveling lift on the front end, so I'll show you the inside. Explorer seats, comes with the leg support and the bolster and lumbar, custom shifters, gauge pillars, all that. So show you how I started. So I got these three switches over here. The first one is a momentary for the glow plugs. The second is a for the fog lights. It's all ready to go. Got the wires ran up to the front, relay set. Just need to hook them up. And the third one is an electric fan that I can bypass, which is normally hooked up to a thermostatic switch on the radiator, but I can bypass it if I think I need to. So anyway, show you how I start it. Ignition on. I hit the glow plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. 5. Start it up. Runs really well. No funny business. It sounds good and runs real good. I got the gauges all set up. Hopefully you can see that. It's just my cell phone, so hard to tell. But Pyro idles about 375 or so. The boost, I've seen 17, 18 pounds of boost. It does really well. So ABS works, cruise control works. Let's see if I can demonstrate it for you. I'm gonna try to take it out on the freeway so I can get it up to higher speed so you guys can see just how powerful it is. But it's getting close to rush hour now, so we'll see if I have enough space to really get it up that fast. So. It drives really easy. It's pretty quiet. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with it. Let's see. I'm going to try to take it to a dead stop here. There's a couple cars in front of me, so I can give them a little bit of space before I run them down. All right, here we go. Brake lights ahead, so I gotta start slowing down, but it sure doesn't take much. It'll do whatever speed you need it to, that's for sure. But let's come in here. see if I can demonstrate cruise control safely. So on, and so hit the acceleration button. To about 55 or so. Some cars ahead of me I don't want to run down, but